What's up guys, NJ Power here, and today we're going to do an unboxing of Heavyweight Champion by Keystone Fireworks. And sadly this was $74.99 I believe at a Keystone Fireworks tent during the 2023 4th of July season, but they had a deal on this one where if you bought one you got one for free, so still very expensive. Alright, here. Got some little ones up top here. I got two of these small friendships. Jade flowers, and there's going to be a second one here. So two jade flowers. Chase the Ace. Sweet large golden flower. Kind of beat up the box. Here is another small friendship, so you can see there is three of them. We got Stinger. This one, I was gonna say it doesn't say Keystone, but it does. Stinger. Oh, there's a nice size one. Oh, this one has some weight to it. Rising Storm. I like the sound of that one. Rising Storm. There's another decent sized one, Razzle Dazzle. You see those are decently sized. Alright, let's get some of these big ones here. These HN90s Golden Glitz. Red Rain. Purple Paradise. And we have a Green Glitter. Alright, those four, those are probably a set. Alright, let's dump the rest out because there is a bunch of small ones here. Get rid of that. Alright, here's another small friendship, so four in total. We have a few happinesses here, two of those. We got some small golden flowers. We got a lot more cuckoos here, four mini cuckoos. And we got two conic fountains. These are different from the other packaging of conic fountains. So that is Heavyweight Champion by Keystone Fireworks, $74.99. I do have a second one of these that I'll probably open sometime next year just for fun. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.